Right, here we go. So Monday, looking at gold. This video didn't record very well, but we've gapped up after open. Perhaps entered a little later than we should have done on this, but it was still a good trade. Yeah. Yeah, so realistically, we would have wanted to have entered when we first broke out of that bull flag that's formed there. But yeah, I don't really know why we did. I think we just came late to the party, really. But yeah, it didn't record properly. Don't know why. So this is a short on gold. Felt like a bit of a bear flag forming. However, it is at equal lows there, to be fair. And it's very choppy. So really, I didn't need to take this trade. When I say I didn't need to take it, what I mean is I fucking shouldn't have done. But there you go. Because we are very choppy. The EMAs are essentially flat and very tight together. So there's no momentum in it. There's nothing really going on. I did move my stop as a bit of damage control tactic because I didn't want to be stopped out big. So yeah. Right, here we're looking at the Nasdaq 1 minute chart. Got that. I forgot. We've got that bull flag playing out there. Yeah, this was a good trade. To be fair, I took my take profit earlier than I normally would. Well, earlier than I haven't got a fucking clue what I'm on about. What are you saying? Fucking gay. Took the profit off earlier than before it hit my take profit. Fucking hell. That doesn't even sound right. Cock. Yeah, whatever. You know, yeah, this trade was what it was. The market was just very choppy today. There was no, I don't think there was any real clear direction going on. Moved the stop up to just above break even because I just knew it was coming right back down as soon as possible, which it did. So there you go. Again, this one gold, a little late to the party. I did shit myself a little bit thinking I'd bought bought the top, but we were in a very strong uptrend, but this could just as easily have started to pull back. Yeah, we had only just broken above previous resistance, turning into support maybe. So yeah, I mean, yeah. Anyway, it was a good trade. It was a good trade. There was nothing wrong with it. Take profit was set at that breakout target there. Yeah, gold was in a very strong uptrend today. The Nasdaq did fuck all, but gold was in a quite a strong uptrend. Yeah. Right, here we go. So Though this does look like a bit of a bear flag, you know, we've come down, we're starting to pull back a little bit. I was actually keen on the sort of overall swing of this. Gold being in a very strong uptrend all day. We've come down, if you look across into the left, to those previous resistance, turning into support there. We got rejected off that level, and then we start to push back up. We didn't make it all the way back to the upside, so we got out of it. What happened with this one? I can't remember. I can't remember whether we got out of this early or what. Or whether we moved our stop. Oh, that were it. Yeah. We moved our stop up, and I'm pretty sure the stop got triggered, so we didn't get as much as we would have wanted there. Oh, no, maybe I just jumped out of it. I think I maybe lost faith in it. And then apparently I refound my faith, rekindled my faith, because I took it again immediately after. And immediately plunged into some pretty serious trouble. Look at where it's filled me there. Right at the top of that wick. Fuck off. Honestly, this keeps happening. Yeah, I think I took this because I was a bit disappointed in myself. I was looking at that overall swing structure as well. I was expecting it to at least retest the highs, but as soon as we got that pullback there on that red candle, I was just like, it's just not going to go. I have no idea what happened with this. Oh, that were it. I jumped out of it. Again, a bit of damage control. It came down, and I jumped out of it. And then the next candle, it spiked straight back up again. It never went though. Overall, it never went. I think it just built out a massive choppy bear flag on the 1 minute chart, and I don't remember whether it pushed up properly after that or whether it started to fall away. I think it. Oh no, it did fall away because we traded it, dickhead. Right, here we go. Finally, the market breaks out. There you go, that were it. Finally breaks out. We take... That was a nice trade. Yeah. So it was a bear flag after all. So we switched over to the Nasdaq again. Got that breakout at the 15-minute opening range. We're targeting the pivot point. Traced it with my stop. So yeah, this was the one that I was thinking of before. So I traced this one up with my stop because, you know, barring the odd day here and there, from what I've seen, the Nasdaq chops through, you know, around in the opening 15-minute opening range all day. Like I say, barring the odd 1 or 2 trend days, I just noticed it seems to be doing that constantly. So when it does break out like this, I have very little faith that it's actually going to go up to it. So then why am I taking the trade? You know, why do it? Why do it? So yeah, and inevitably we chop back into it. Back into the 15-minute opening range as usual. No follow through. So we're able to... What the fuck have I written there? Capitalise. Shit. Capitalise, I think that says. That's throwing me off. Right. In an ideal world, I'll have looked to target the middle of the range. But given how choppy it's been, I'm not messing about. And we're also stuck in between the EMAs. And this is something, actually, that I've just realised. I take a lot of trades when price action's bouncing around between the EMAs. I'm pretty sure I shouldn't be doing that. Right, tomorrow.